Just, sir, I took a snapshot by mistake.
भाई पेनल्टी चुकाना पड़ेगा. यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग माय कंसंट्रेशन. मैंने अगर गलती की तो इट विल बी बिकॉज ऑफ यू. इफ आई
Sorry, sir.
कमिट अ मिस्टेक. हाँ, so भी ऐसा सब मत भेजो. हाँ, ओके. लेस देन 3 बिकॉज इट विल बी फ्रॉम 0 1 2. हाँ, कैसे प्रिंट enter marks for student ठीक है. You are giving a prompt. And then in that another thing is that we have to also get the subject. Wait a minute. I'll remove this here. +1, huh? Because user to the user we have to show it is first student, second student, third student, that way. The user doesn't he will get confused if अरे student number 0 कैसे होता है.
Sir, you have written double I in the steady dicks.
Good, you are paying attention. I told you, no, if I do a mistake, it will be because of you. Okay. Okay, enter marks for student number 1. Okay, then what? While, okay, yeah, here we have to initiate that subject index equals to 0. Then so it will be 0 1 2 3 4 subjects each. Here we will say subject number. student index, then what? The subject index, int, then what? Input, hmm? So it gets the marks. Huh? Another thing, we need to have a total. We need to have one more list. We can have student total. How many students we have? 3. So a list of 3 elements. Following it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And would be student total plus equal to what? This. Okay. We're calculating the student total. Sorry. Then you need to have one more thing. Batch total. Hmm? Which will initialize to 0. Batch total will be what? Student total. Okay. One more thing. We have to increment, na? बिना इंक्रीमेंट करे कैसे चलेगा? हम्म, then what? Student स्टूडेंट टोटल क्या है? लिस्ट है ना, तो वी हैव टू इंडेक्स. दैट इज द स्टूडेंट इंडेक्स. बराबर है. हाँ, अमित, ऋत्विक, student total is a list, so you have to provide that index na. Yeah. Vedant, following what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Ritvik, increment the student index because now we have a loop within a loop. Now we are increasing the readability. Okay. तो यूजर से इनपुट तो ले लिया. इन टोटल वी आर टेकिंग कितना? 12 मार्क्स. वी आर टेकिंग 12 मार्क्स. बैच टोटल, स्टूडेंट इंडेक्स, सब कुछ बरोबर है ना? कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके फाइन. नाउ व्हाट? यूजर से इनपुट ले लिया है, अभी हम लोग को क्या करना है? स्टूडेंट का एवरेज डिस्प्ले करना है, टोटल एवरेज डिस्प्ले करना है. बरोबर है. ओके. स्टूडेंट इंडेक्स फिर से 0 करो. ओके. while student index less than 3, there are 3 students. ठीक है. print average for student not stdidx plus 1. Is equals to what? Student total, student index divide by कितने सब्जेक्ट्स है? 4 सब्जेक्ट्स है ना, डिवाइड बाय 4, so you get the student average. बरोबर है. So you are displaying average for student. Later on you can decorate it or organize it. I'm not wasting my time there. Decoration or readability, or you can do it later. Then what? Yeah, either student index plus equals to 1. Okay. Fine. Then what? Print. Batch average. What will batch average? Amit, batch total divided by what?
Student total.
I've got 3 students and 4 subjects. बरोबर है? Ritvik, Vedant, got the logic. Why 3 times 4? I got 3 students.
No.
Three students and
total
four
students.
Full
subjects.
subject, I got it.
Ritvik, you got it? Beta Ritvik?
Yes, sir. I already told you.
Okay. There was some echoing. So Ritvik and you were talking together. Sorry, Vedant and you were talking together. So you got it, no? Here we are dividing by 4 because that is the individual total. And this is total of 3 students and every student has appeared for 4 subjects. So total marks scored by all. It has to be by 12. Otherwise it will give us a average total, which we don't want. We want average marks. Batch average, batch total. Okay. Just save it. What will I give the name? Marks 0, 2. Let's run this. That one. Okay. 56.
Sir, why do you put that is greater than sign instead of
You can put round. You can put round. It is a separator.
You should put equal to, right?
अरे भाई ये इक्वेशन है क्या? Prompt है. Amit, it is not an equation. It is a prompt for the user. समझे आप? उसको राउंड ब्रैकेट डालो या कुछ भी डेकोरेट करके डालो.
Like an arrow.
हाँ, एरो डाल दो, कुछ भी चलेगा. It's a prompt to the user ना. समझे आप? Enter marks for student 2. Enter marks for subject 1 or student 2. 96. Wait a minute. Check it out. हाँ, बाद में करो. Now we will do one thing. Yeah. Want to see the code? Wait a minute. Now we'll do. We'll try out
Sir,
something
can
new.
I show my code?
Beta.
Can I show my how did I do and what? Can you just tell me what is the mistake?
So you analyze it. We will watch it next time. हाँ? नहीं तो आज का लेक्चर इधर ही खत्म हो जाएगा. मुझे कुछ दिखाने का है आपको. दिखाऊं इंटरेस्टिंग?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. रुको जरा. I'll copy this code. And I have installed this IDE. See, Python has a lot of IDEs. So there is one IDE known as PyCharm. So in that PyCharm, we can actually execute this step by step and also watch the values of the variables. So I'll copy paste this code in that PyCharm and execute it step by step. Later on, we will go on for Anaconda, which is even a better thing. and it has got lots of features.
Yeah, sir, but don't
Including
use
Firebase.
Anaconda. So because you can't create modules on Anaconda because I used to do it on Anaconda. You can't do file and new.
भाई कर सकते हैं सब कुछ बेटा. हाँ अभी PyCharm यूज करते हैं. हाँ विल गो टू. अभी टाइम है. अभी तो यू आर टेकिंग बेबी स्टेप्स इन प्रोग्रामिंग. Taking a lot of time. हाँ क्या है. चलो बेस्ट विशेस फॉर एग्जाम्स. हाँ बेस्ट विशेस फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. Okay, I'll leave you 5-10 minutes early. 5 minutes early. I have a suggestion for you, for all of you. सुनो पहले मेरी बात सुनो, बाद में आप टाइपिंग करो. Say,
Yes,
I have
sir.
a suggestion. Someone or the other always has an exam. So instead of twice a week, why don't we meet once a week? And we meet once a week, and I will take full 1.5 hours on that one day. Full 1.5 hours, or 1 hour 40 minutes, or 1 hour 45 minutes once a week. Either Tuesday or Friday, whatever is convenient to you, or Wednesday, whatever is convenient to you. Huh? So from next week we can meet once a week, and it will be for 1.5 hours or 1 and 40 minutes. It will take longer, but what will happen? You can study for your exams and you can practice. See, during the lecture, you have taken enough of time for practice. So instead of practicing during the lecture, you can practice during the day off, and we can cover more portion when the lecture is there. Your choice. I'm just giving you an option. You wait out and let me know. Whatever your choice. Because then I won't entertain, sir. आज एग्जाम में छोड़ दो. आपका जो भी है एग्जाम, वो डे ऑफ है तभी कर लो उसका तैयारी. When we meet, we just concentrate on programming. And see another thing. Only yeah, in September we can start again. Not a problem. But then see, till the time you don't practice, you don't learn programming. Practice is the key. I can teach you Python programming in one day, but then you won't be able to write a single program properly. Why? Because you didn't practice. See, it is the logic. You are still doing while loop, but in that while loop there are so many things. Now in that while loop we have brought the list. Then we brought the list of list. Now we will do for loop. So there will be a lot of things. Getting my point? Huh?
So now I'm facing the same problem that
Ah.
Amit just used to face. Now I can't see the thing which you write below, like the last
हाँ
one,
तो
the last
ठीक है
code.
वो जरा स्क्रीन नहीं ना वो अभी मैं कर लूंगा ठीक. हाँ सो लेट्स गो PyCharm स्टार्ट करते हैं. हाँ I will new Python file. I'll name it say marks 02. I'll paste our code. So now it's ready for us over here. And can you see it, Vedant?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
can
Yes,
see.
sir, we can see it.
Fine, fine.
Sir, we can't
Now
see
we
the
will.
top. We can't see the top.
रुको शांति. Now we will debug this code. Debug, and we will run it say step by step. We will discuss this once a week, twice a week later on. चलो हाँ बाद में देख लो. Now check this out. Now I'll execute it step by step. See this. Now we have this student total. Yeah. Batch total. See, it is on the right. I can see all the values. Huh? Zero. 0 less than 3. So it enters. If we go to the console, don't type anything now. Don't disturb me. Huh? Okay. Python console. I will go to the console. Subject index 0. It is waiting for our input. So we will enter 89. Enter. See this. Student total. How it is going. See, while loop. It's in the inside while loop. So if you go to this debugger, you can see these values over here. Huh? Batch total. Enter marks for student. So you can try it out in PyCharm. You can download and install.
Sir, which one do you think we should download, the PyCharm or the Anaconda?
Anaconda is a very big thing. So use
It's like,
you can use your choice. But this is for tracing. Like we are tracing, okay, step by step. What are the values and how they interact and all. So step by step, it is showing us what statement it is executing. It came out of the inside while loop. Now going for the third student. Now see, student index. Subject index becomes 0. So step by step, it shows what is what. Now it will, yeah. Good. You can use anything you want. I just want to show you how these things get executed. Huh? Yeah. So this is how it gets executed. Hmm? Okay. So have you understood this? Huh? While loop? Huh? Kids, have you understood this?
yes, sir.
Shall I
Sir,
upload
can you
the
please
code?
show the file for a second?
I will upload the code by Ruko. Ruko, I'll upload the code for you. Okay. Yeah. So shall we do one small thing before we end today's lecture? Huh? We can look at the code later. Huh?
Sir,
What? Hmm.
sir, can we discuss this code, sir? I have some many doubts now after you showed.
Next time, or otherwise, see, let Vedant and Ritvik go. We'll discuss your code after ending the lecture. We'll continue this talk. But first, let me complete the today's lecture, and then we will discuss your code. Huh? You upload, I will look at it, and we will discuss it right now, today only. Huh? Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ritvik, क्या कह रहे हो आप बेटा?
I'm not
What's the
typing.
issue? हाँ,
I'm not typing.
यहाँ
I
पे
just
दिखा
went
रहे
to
हैं
the
ऋत्विक is typing.
yeah. I
यहाँ
just
पे
went to the
दिखा रहे हैं इस
chat
पे.
to see what's going on.
ठीक है बेटा. अच्छा अभी shall I teach you one small thing? Huh? Yeah, I'll teach you one small thing. See, in Python there is something known as a range. If I say range 10,
Sir, I can't
and
see the bottom part.
okay, wait a minute. Now you can see. So
Yes, sir.
now in Python you have a sequence like list, then string. So you also have a range. Now what will range give us? Suppose if I say a list, if I range will give me a list of, say, if I say range 10, then range will give me a list of 10 numbers from 0 to 9, beginning from 0 to 9, means one less than the number given here. So it will give me 10 numbers, but by default it will start from 0 and at 9. So by default it will be incremented by 1. Okay. So if I say num list equal to range 10, and then if I say print num list, okay, it's showing me range 10. I'll do one thing. I will now convert this range into a list. So we have a function like bool, int, float. So I'll convert this range into a list. So now num list contains a list. It's a num list. It's giving me 0 to 9. Okay.
Sir,
Now, yes, Amit.
sir, you teach the list function.
There's a list function. Now, wait a minute.
Sir, you
I will show you.
teach us the list.
I taught you the list, na?
No,
What
sir.
we were doing last time and huh? List
Sir, you just
सिखाया है ना
told
आपको?
that how to do the list in the square bracket. You didn't tell about the list function.
अरे list function अभी सिखा रहा हूँ ना. What will list do? List will convert that range into a list of numbers. समझे आप? The list function will convert that range into a list of numbers.
Oh.
सुनो आप पहले आप ध्यान नहीं देते. You jump to conclusions and disturb the flow of teaching. Now if I say 20, so it will go from 0 to 19. ठीक है? Now I don't want it to begin from say 0. I want it from 1 to 10. So what will I do? I will say, okay, instead of beginning from 0, by default, begin from 1. and go to 10. I want from 1 to 10. I wanted to go from 1 to 10. But what happens? It goes from 1 to 9. It is always 1 less than the number. So what I should do? I want it from 1 to 10. So I will make it from 1 to 11. Okay. So when I do this, goes from 1 to 10. Now instead of say going from 1 to 10, I wanted instead of increment 1, see by default it increments by 1. But I don't want it to increment by 1. I want to increment by 2. So it is getting incremented by 2. Now display the list. What you get? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Why? Because it is getting incremented by 2. Now I'll say start at 2. So what will happen? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Fine. Okay. Now in this, I can omit this. So it will begin from 0, 0, 2 and all that. Now see, let's see experiment. Now it is giving some gadbad. Why? It doesn't know where to start and all. Okay, now instead of starting at say 1 and going to 10, I can say start from 11 and at 1. Will it end at 1 and say -1? So let's see what happens. We have start at 11 and at 1 and instead of increment, go for the decrement. See, it is starting at 11 and ending at 2. Why? 1 more than the number. So we should, if I wanted to say from 11 to 1, then I should have a 0 here. Now display the list. Now instead of say -1, I can have -2. So I get all the odd numbers from 11 to 1. Got it? Yeah, kids.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
basically, now we will use this range and we will use this range in for loops. So let me just demonstrate for loop before I end today's lecture. For loop. For I in range say 11. So it will range 10. So it will start from, yeah, and of course, since you are writing a block of code, for is also a loop, but it is not like while. In while you have that condition. Till the condition is true, it will execute. Whereas here, it will go through the entire sequence. So range gives us a sequence from 0 to 9. When I say range 10, we'll go from say print I. So it will go through each number in the list or sequence and print it. I'll run it. Okay, now I'll just make a change in this range. Let's change it from say, I want it from 1 to 10. So I don't want it from 0 to 9. So 1 to 10, okay, this will display say 1 to 9. So I'll make it 11. So it displays from 1 to 10. And you can even use a list. You can have, instead of a range, you can have a list. So I'll end the lecture here since, acha, now how about say from next week you want it say once a week? How about all three of you? You want it once a week, say Tuesday or Friday
Yes, sir,
or
I'm fine with
Wednesday?
anything.
Ritvik, how about you?
Sir,
Which day?
Sir, Tuesday.
sir,
Okay,
me to Tuesday, sir.
Tuesday. Okay, Vedant, Tuesday, 6 to 7:30 or 7:40. So once a week from 6 to 7:30 or 7:40. Hmm? And
Okay, sir.
no
Only
chutti and all
Tuesday,
that.
right?
If you have a, if yeah, only Tuesday, and if you have a chutti, if you have an exam, study before that. Hmm? And you can use, and if you don't have an exam, you use that time to practice. Huh? बरोबर है सब लोग? Amit, Ritvik, and then say mid of September, we can say have twice a week, or let it be. I think so. Once a week is fine.
Sir,
Uh,
sir,
uh,
sir, could we have
the
it on
other day you
Friday?
can practice.
Sir,
Huh?
could we have it on Friday next week? Cause on Wednesday I have my science exam. So could we have it on Friday next week and then
I'm
Tuesday?
I'm fine. I am fine. How about the other two? Vedant, Amit, just for 1
Okay,
week
sir.
on Friday. So we meet on next Friday.
Okay, sir.
Huh? We meet on one next Friday. Acha. And let me upload that for loop thing. Hmm? See, I want you to learn proper programming, not just typing in a programming language. And see, I know a lot of engineers. They say we know C programming language, but they can't write a simple program. They can't even write a simple while loop. What's the use if you can't program? Programming is different. Programming language is just a tool. It's a means to an end. Okay? Learn programming, practice well. Whenever you have time, you want to have some fun, programming. Do practice. Hmm? Yeah, Vedant. So we meet next Friday. Yeah,
Sir,
before that, we will fill up our register. Beta Amit, bolo.
sir, can I send that file or
Wait
you'll
a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. पहले आज का काम खत्म करने दो. हाँ? आज का काम खत्म करते हैं, बाद में आपका चालू करते हैं. हाँ? ठीक है. रजिस्टर किधर है? वो आपका रजिस्टर में डालना पड़ेगा ना. क्या सीखे आज? हाँ? Today is what? 24/7. And we are meeting next Friday. That is 31st. Or rather, list of list. Lists and range. Today we learned about range and for loop. ठीक है? Okay, kids. Have a great weekend. Hmm? And
Okay,
Ritvik,
sir.
you got an exam. Best luck.
Thank you.
Okay. Hmm?
Sir,
Chalo, yeah.
sir,
Amit, upload
can
your
I
file.
share that
Now,
file?
हाँ. करो.
Sir, I'll just join here by my other
हाँ?
computer.
तो